Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this really easy, delicious and beautiful looking Dalgona coffee. This recipe can be a perfect refreshment for any day. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We will need 20 grams of instant coffee, 40 grams of white sugar, 500 ml of milk, and 1 cup of ice. So first we're going to take our coffee and sugar and we're just going to add it into a mixture or a blender. And then once it's tightly closed, we're going to run this on pulses. So the pulses for around 1 second until you have this nice airy, floury mixture. So this is the texture that we want. We don't want it to be too heavy. It's going to be nice and light. And then we're going to add in our ice cubes and repeat the pulses for around a second each again. So it's going to start coming together like this, and you just want to keep going until you have this thick mixture. We've churned it for around 5 minutes and you can see this nice thick consistency. You can add more ice and make it thinner, or more coffee and sugar to make it thicker. It's all your choice, but if you have this, then it'll be nice and easy to decorate, and it's also quite concentrated. So this is our cappuccino mixture. So what we're going to do, we're just going to spread it around the cup and then add in our milk. This will give it a nice design and will also make it nice and evenly spread out. When adding the milk, if you add it from a height, it will give this extra foaminess, which will just add to the texture of our drink. So this is drink number 1 done. Time to move on to drink number 2, which is a cold coffee. So first we're just going to add in our ice cubes, and then on top of that we're going to add in our cappuccino mixture. Then you can top it off with the milk. This is just around the same thing, but with the ice it gives a different effect for the cold coffee. One thing I love about the cold coffee drink is that you have this lovely design. So we're just going to top it off with some cardamom powder. You can also use brown sugar or honey, depending on how sweet you want it. But this is the end of today's recipe. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!